Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make Suon. Here I have one package of spare ribs. I'm gonna chop that up, wash it up with salt, get all the griminess off of it. I got a couple cloves of garlic here. I'm gonna mince that up. I got a couple sprigs of green onions. I'm gonna slice that up. And I got some rock sugar here, white sugar, and ground black pepper. All right, guys, let's get started. So I have one package of spare ribs. I'm gonna take it out into a bowl here. Cold water. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt in there, just to clean up the sliminess and the muckiness of it. Clean it. Top of it. Wash your hands, guys. I can't stress that enough. Always gotta wash your hands. No matter what you touch. Okay, right now, all I'm gonna do is season it. Put some black pepper, a little bit. Salt. Okay? Mix it up. Right now. Leave it to the side. Easy for yourself, guys. You can all same size, right? Then you just rock your knife. You want to do a rock motion, so just, right? This is for topping it at the end there, guys, after the dish is done cooking. Garlic, so you mix garlic. Cut it small first. Always bring it together, guys, so it's easier for you to chop. Bring your knife. After you're done, you garlic. Back into a small bowl, plate. Add some oil to the pot. That much. 2 tablespoons of sugar goes in. You gotta melt the sugar and then let it turn to caramel. Okay, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we're just gonna let that melt. Don't stir with the chopsticks or spoon or anything, guys. Just naturally let it melt like that, and then we'll continue on from there. Okay, after about a couple minutes, the sugar should become like this color. Then see in the pot, it's like a little caramelized color. That's when you turn down the heat, medium high, add your minced garlic in. Hear that sound? Get that in there. You want to hear that sound in there? get that minced garlic covered in that sugar. Oh, look at that color, guys. You guys see that? Okay. Just a little bit, eh? You don't want to get too long. Turn the heat down or else the sugar's gonna burn. See? Once you get that, add your meat in. Add your meat in. Now you want to cook the ribs until the meat tightens up. And then you're going to start adding your seasoning and your water, okay? Be on high. And let it do a thing. Cover that meat in all that colorful caramelized sugar. A little, splash out the oil and make sure you get it down right away, guys, so you don't have a big cleanup job after. Me, I always cook and clean at the same time. That's the right way to do it. Alright? Always remember cleanliness. Make sure your stove top's clean, everything's clean. Okay. See, when you see the meat starts turning gray like that, and not red no more, this is when you add in your fish sauce. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 2 tablespoons only, okay, guys? And the fish sauce I'm using today is this brand. Let the meat soak up that fish sauce a little bit. Let it soak up that sauce a little bit. You guys can see that. Turn the heat down medium a little bit. Add some water. Add some water. Okay, now just let it simmer. A medium heat. Let it do its thing. Yeah, this is where it's gonna break down the meat, make it more tender, and it's gonna soak up all that fish sauce and the flavor. I'm gonna let it cook for a bit. Okay, at this point the water has reduced a lot. What you want to do is turn down the heat a little bit, taste it to see if it needs any more seasoning like sugar or fish sauce. I'm going to taste it. Okay, it needs a little bit more fish sauce, so I'm going to give it a couple squirts. You balance it. You balance that fish sauce out with a little sugar as well. Okay, that should be good. And add just a little bit of sugar just to balance out that fish sauce. And you let it continue reducing. There we go. You guys see that? You want all that liquid to be reduced a little more. It's too loose. I want it to thicken up a little bit more, so we're just going to continue letting it reduce. Now is where you add your rock sugar. I'm going to add 3 small chunks here. Add it in there, guys. This will give the dish a nice yellow glow to it. We're going to continue letting it reduce. See, once it's reduced to about this thickness, this is where you check for the final seasoning. If it needs more sugar, add more sugar. If it needs more fish sauce, add more fish sauce. I checked the seasoning and it's right on point. So now I'm gonna add my black pepper, green onion, and sliced red chilies. Be generous with it. The black pepper makes this dish. Okay, black pepper and red chili flake. Fresh red chilies, I mean. Put some in there, lay it up in there. Alright. Take some green onion. And there you have it, guys. This is what you usually serve it with. Some red chilies, cucumber, and a hot bowl of rice. Shit's juicy!